Hello YouTube, this is Dhruva Mundodi back with a new video. So today's topic is regarding my rear tires. Okay, so actually in my bike I have the stock ceat secura sport tire. I have used it for 16,000 kilometers. But the thing is, now during monsoon seasons I am facing stability issues. So see, as you can see, there is still little bit of thread left in my bike. I mean on the tires, about 30% of thread is still there on the tires. But I am really facing stability issues during monsoon rides. See, the roads are really wet. So I am planning to change the tires. There are many tires in the market like MRF Meteor and MRF Nilo Grip, but I heard some good reviews about Michelin Sirac Street. So actually I am planning to change the tires from ceat secura sport. It is a 19-inch 3.25 19-inch tires. Now I am planning to install a 3.50 19-inch Michelin Sirac Street. So as of now on the stock tires I am getting somewhere around 43 to 45 kilometers per liter of fuel. I am getting the mileage. I mean it's totally dependent on my riding style. So I'll let you know guys after installing the new tires what are all the changes I am facing. I mean what are the pros and cons of Michelin Sirac Street and what is the mileage difference after changing the tires from 3.25 19 to 3.50 19. So guys, I hope you liked my video. Please stay tuned. I'll be uploading the part 2 of the tire change video very soon. Please subscribe to my channel to know more about Michelin Sirac Street. Thank you guys.